Hello everyone, this is Crazy Crypto here again with the best project. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best game where you can earn a lot of profits in the future. Before starting our video, request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Friends, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before deposit. So friend, let's begin the review. Today project is about England and you can see welcome back to channel. Today I want to quickly explain important app and event happening on the England, especially if you want to participate from one day. England is launching a team battle campaign and the battle especially starts on the January 13th. So friend, but here is the key points: you must join the team before January 13th and or you want to be able to participate properly. In this video I'll explain what this campaign is, why joining early matters, and exactly how you can join my team step by step. So please watch the video. So friend, you can see this is their game app and you can easily go through the app and install from your play store or iOS. And after going in the exchange, you can see the platform like this. And after completing your registration, and registration is very simple, you go through your email and password, and after getting your email and password you will go through the app and will get led you to the app. And you can see this is their app, and these are the things. And first of all we'll tell you how this game will work, and will take you to the and their app tutorial. First of all, click on the tutorial option, you can see. And these are the 5 step. England is a casual game where you can earn fish tokens by catching plenty of fish with tackle NFT. And let's next is pick a land from spots all over the world. Each one has own vibe and fish lineup. You can see these are the tutorial about the game. And next is the different lords attack different fishes, so try them out and see what bites. So like that you can easily check it out. After that you can see already get some crypto, send it to your wallet and grab your fish tackles from the marketplace. So from you can easily go through the crypto, and you can see they are mentioning the crypto, how to go to your wallet and get some cryptos, and after that you can easily deposit from it. Next step is, no crypto yet, you will worries, no, you can buy a capsule with a trial tackles using in app purchase and start fishing. So like that you can easily go through the app, and after that you can see you have your invitation code. You can easily go through your invitation code and send it to your friends and family, and you can also get from some profit from it. So friend, like that we'll tell you more about the game, and you can see the tackles here. First of all, you can see first interface, you can see their tackles, and secondly is their fishing and how to you can go through the fish and capsule and fish and other things. And you can see easily their wallet here, and click on the wallet option and you can easily go through their wallet. And after getting in the wallet, you can see create your new wallet, or if you have a wallet you can import it here and easily go through the your deposit. After that you can see these are there some more things, and you can see these are the bottom of the app. And you can see there is a they are on different prices, and 0.0255, and also these are their prices. And you can also get capsules and others. You can, if you click on the capsule option, you can see you can easily get capsules from here. After that you can see their list of the capsules, and from here, and you can easily buy from here, and these are different prices. Friend, this is not a financial advice, I always tell you. Do your own research, and this is only of a educational purpose video, and tell you this is educational video. So friend, like that you can easily go through this app and earn profit from here, and this is very important. So friend, we always tell you that before January 13 you must join from 1:30 to let it make you very clear. You cannot wait after the battle start, and you can easily go through that. Must already be in the team, and you can see 13 before 13 January. If you are late, you may miss the start and you may lose full from here. Participant benefits and experience may be limited. They are why England recommends completing all steps here, and this is step by step how to join the team. We are already told you about this, and my team ID will be shown in the on screen, and also will give you on the description. After this step, you can easily officially part of the my team and ready far before the battle begins, and I need from it to my youth. I hope today video will bring benefits of you, and friends, this is not financial advice and this is an educational video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.